This is Mark II, and I'll be demoing my final project for CSCI E-88. I am processing some data from the CDC, in particular in regards to diabetes. So I have this obesity prevalence, leisure time physical activity prevalence, and diagnosed diabetes prevalence, and their CSV files. And I want to produce them and then try to visualize them in Kibana under region maps. Regarding my pipeline, I have my data source will be those CSV files, and then Flume will collect them at the collection tier, and then we'll drop them at a Kafka sync where they will go into a topic, as is the rows from the CSV, and then I have my a Python script, kafka-consumer-producer.py, which will consume the messages from the CSV and then process them, parse them, and then produce JSON formatted messages, which will go to another Kafka topic. I have Kafka Connect, which connects Kafka to Elasticsearch, which is picking up these messages that are JSON formatted from Kafka and dropping them in Elasticsearch, and then we can visualize the data with Kibana. All right, now I will show my pipeline. So here I have a Flume agent running, and here I have my my Kafka Zookeeper and my Kafka server. And here I have my actually my consumer producer. Right now you can't see anything. It's the Python script, but once it starts getting messages, we'll see it populate. Here I have my Kafka Connect, which is picking up messages from the Kafka consumer producer and moving it to Elasticsearch over here. And here I have my Kibana running. And now I am gonna move this DM, which is diagnosed diabetes prevalence, into my my source spooling directory where Flume will pick it up. All right. So see, Flume picked it up, and now here we see the Kafka consumer producer going. And now we can look for the data in Kibana. Actually, well, I can show here that my Elasticsearch is up and healthy. And now in Kibana, if I have this visualization for the maps for the physical inactivity and obesity. I can show one real quick here. You can inspect it. For example, you can see like which states have what percentage of physical inactivity. Now let me just do one quick thing here. I will remove this filter for obesity prevalence, and then I will add another filter for my diagnosed diabetes prevalence, which we just imported. And I will refresh. Not sure if I even needed to do that. And now you can see the new the map refreshed with these values. So for example, you can see these states in the red: Alabama and Mississippi. And if I go back to my dashboard here, you can see that these states are also in the red for obesity and physical inactivity. Thank you.